चलो देखो, आर डी शर्मा, क्वेश्चन पेज नंबर 5.22, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 31, राइट। देखो क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है, if mth term, if m time the mth term of an AP, m times the mth term, m time the mth term of an AP is equal to n time nth term of the AP, right? So that their m plus n term, their m plus n th term is equal to 0. This is the question, right? So mth term means what? AAM, and nth term means what? AAN, right? So now simply substitute the values, nothing more is there in this question. So m into mth term means a plus m minus 1 into d, and here n into a plus n minus 1 into d. Simplify, ma or leave, m plus md minus d is equal to n into a plus nd minus d, right? Multiply all, ma plus m square d minus md is equal to na plus n square d minus nd, right? अब क्या करो, bring all means same variable term at one place. See, here is ma, here is na, bring one place, ma minus na, then plus m square d minus n square d, then minus md plus nd is equal to 0. Just we bring all the same variable term at one place. Take a out, m minus n. Take d out, m square minus n square. Take here again d out, so m minus n is equal to 0. Correct hai? Clear? Okay. Now from all take m minus n out. From all take m minus n out. M minus n out. So what remain? A plus d into, see this is a square minus b square, means a minus b and a plus b. So if m minus n came out, m plus n will remain here, minus d is equal to 0. A minus n will come this side, so this will become 0. So it will become just a plus m plus n d, so I can write this are also, and here just remain d, right now, minus d is equal to 0. Clear getting or not? Yes or no? Yes. From here to here, can we take d out? So a plus m, I am taking d out, so m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now see, is this looking like a m plus n term? A m plus n term, because if I write a m plus n term, it will be what? A plus m plus n minus 1 into d, it will be only, right? Because whatever term is there, that one minus 1 into d will be there, like normal things. Not understood? Like see, if I want to write a5, how I write? A plus 4 minus 1 into d, means whatever term you have, in that we do minus 1. So if, sorry, 5 minus 1, right? So whatever term you have, in that we do minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. So here also did minus 1. So if this is correct, so this also correct. So this equal, can I write a m plus n is equal to 0, and hence proved. Understood?